A charge q is uniformly spread out on a ring of radius r. If sphere of equal radius r is constructed with its center at, at the periphery of the ring, so what is the flux of the electric field through the surface of the hemisphere, through the surface of the sphere? So here, this is the ring. So here on this ring, we have charge distributed uniform. This is the ring. Now, this is Gaussian surface, Gaussian sphere. We have constructed a Gaussian sphere so that, so the center of this Gaussian sphere, so the center of this Gaussian sphere will be on the rim of the ring. So this is the center of the Gaussian sphere. So the center of the Gaussian sphere will be on the rim, and the rim of Gaussian sphere passes through the center of this, center of the given ring. So when this is the scenario, then see here. So this is the center of the original ring, and this is Gaussian surface. This is Gaussian surface or Gaussian sphere, you can say. Now, this is the radius of the ring, and this is the radius of Gaussian surface. So both are equal. And also center to center. So the distance between center of the ring and the center of the Gaussian surface is also r. An equilateral triangle will be formed here. So when an equilateral triangle is formed here, so this angle will be 60 degrees. So this angle will also will be 60 degrees. So the total angle subtended by this arc of the ring, the total angle subtended by this arc of the ring, what is that arc? AB. So that AB part will be inside the Gaussian sphere. So the total angle subtended by this arc AB, which is inside the Gaussian surface, is 120 degrees. So the total charge that is put on the ring is Q. That is, for 360 degrees, the charge is Q. Then for 120 degrees, what is the charge? So for 360 degrees, the charge is Q. For 120 degrees, what is the charge? So it is Q by 360 into Q will be equal to into 120. So which will be equal to Q by 3. So the charge inside the Gaussian surface will be Q by 3. So if the charge inside the Gaussian surface is Q by 3, then so what is the flux through the Gaussian surface? The electric flux through the Gaussian surface will be equal to Q enclosed divided by epsilon naught. So that is Q by 3 divided by epsilon naught. That is Q by 3 epsilon naught. So this is the right option. Q by 3 epsilon naught.